All right, so in this video, I'm gonna talk about squaring up a vise. I did a quick overhaul of the oil system on the mill, and now I need to put everything back once I got the whole table put back together. I start by stoning both surfaces of the table and the vise, as these have a major impact on how square or parallel the bottom of the vise is to the table. So once I've stoned and cleaned the surfaces, I slide the vise on. If there's something that's going to get caught underneath, you'll either notice it or it will fall off when you're sliding it on. I then bolt it down, snugging up one more than the other. This allows the vise to be more predictable when you're tapping it around. I put an indicator in a drill chuck. I use a test indicator that measures in half thousandths, and I move the vise back and forth, tapping it around as I go. I got one bolt too tight, and so it was kind of moving unpredictably. By the end of it, I got it, I think, within about half a thousandth side to side. But then I noticed that it was pretty far out, up and down. And so I decided I would check the tram of the head. And what I found there is that the head was within about a thousandth, over 8 inches or so, which wouldn't show up in that little 1 3/4 distance that shows up on that back jaw. So in all four directions, it was within a thousandth, and that back jaw is quite a ways out. So I think there's some more work to be done there.